somewhere between two peaceful lakes, lies a place that feels like a painting, with snow-covered mountains in the distance, green fields all around, and fresh air that makes your soul smile. This is not just a town. It's a quiet dream written in colors. Welcome to Interlaken, the heart of the Swiss Alps, where nature holds your hand and adventure hugs your heart. Interlaken means between two lakes, and yes, it's perfectly named. It sits right between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, two of the most beautiful lakes in Switzerland. On one side, the water is deep blue, calm and quiet. On the other, it's light turquoise, clear enough to see the stones below. It's like having two moods of nature in one place, both peaceful, both beautiful. As I walked through the town, everything felt open and fresh. There were green meadows, wooden houses with flowers on the windows, and snowy mountains smiling from a distance. You can hear birds singing, leaves moving gently in the wind, and the quiet sound of life just flowing. But Interlaken is not only peaceful, it's full of adventure too. This is the place where people come to fly. Yes, really, paragliding here is like flying through a fairy tale. You jump from a mountain and float like a bird, with lakes below and mountains all around. Even if you're scared, trust me, your heart will thank you later. There's also skydiving, hiking, kayaking, ziplining. Interlaken is like a playground for your wild side. But the best part? After the thrill, you can just sit by the lake, take a deep breath, and enjoy the silence. And oh yes, the food. After an adventure or a walk, you find cute little cafes with warm, smiling people, Swiss Rösti, cheese fondue, fresh baked bread. And don't even get me started on the hot chocolate. It's thick, sweet, and feels like a warm hug in a cup. Couples walk here with soft smiles, old people sit on benches, watching boats pass, and solo travelers, like me, just get lost in the view. It's a place where you can think, breathe, dream, or just be. And if you want to explore more, Interlaken is the perfect base. You can visit Lauterbrunnen, the Valley of Waterfalls, take a train up to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, or ride to Grindelwald, another fairy tale town in the Alps. But trust me, even if you never leave Interlaken, your heart will feel full, because here, the sky is open, the lakes are calm, and time moves softly. Interlaken is not just a destination, it's a reminder that the world is still full of